Kit Kat, a candy better than the rest out there. Don't waste your money on those other candies. Instead, buy our tasty, delicious chocolate-covered wafer. Perfect for on the go or lounging around taking a break. Who would pass up a Kit Kat? To prove our theory of being the best, we gathered 5 different people just like you to try our Kit Kat. Here are their thoughts.
Kit Kat.
I like Kit Kats because I can break them apart and it lasts longer. It's my favorite candy.
Take your Junior Mints, your Reese Cups, your Hershey Bars, all right? Your popcorn, your Raisinets, your Sugar Babies. There ain't nothing like a Kit Kat.
I love Kit Kats because they remind me of Halloween.
What I love about Kit Kat is, you gave me 1 Kit Kat, but now I have 2, so me and my second one, delicious.
Take a break. Think, why do you like Kit Kats?